This is Project Paper Shelter. This project is about feeling of teenagers.
How did you come up with this whole idea?
Because it's a story of my family. I had a child. We need to change the country. I saw that she was really close. I tried to speak with her in different ways, but sometimes if you're a parent, I think we're too close to children and they cannot hear us. And this was my way to speak with her.
But how did you come up with the idea of specific colors?
Actually, it was really easy. We had at home paper, different colors. And when I did first photography, I used those paper. It was different colors. Then I saw that it's really interesting to show something with the paper and with the form. And then every time when I did photo shooting, as I already told you, I was speaking with her about different feelings and emotions. And sometimes she chose the paper. Sometimes I asked her if she can show me this emotion.
What was your inspiration?
Her.
How long did the process take, like from idea to exhibition?
2 years.
What kind of light did you take?
Only daylight. Actually, I started every time in the morning because in that time I have a light from this window.
Which picture are you most proud of?
It's named I'm Beautiful because it was her words that she said, and I was so happy in that moment that she understood it and feel it. For me, it was the reason of all of this.